seed to soil contact looks awesome. You're getting compaction here with the OEM. It's pushing and squeezing the sidewalls down, where your Pro Stitch wheel is stitching it shut and closing the trench. Your seed will come up through the soft part of the stitch. All right, we're out here today. We're checking out the Pro Stitch wheel versus the OEM wheel. Between the Pro Stitch wheel, you can actually look up and down the rows where the beans are coming out. They're popping out a lot easier, and if you can see this, it's pretty evident when you look down the rows where the Pro Stitch wheel was versus an OEM wheel. You can tell by the cracking here, he's probably got some that are trying to peek out. There's one coming peeking out now. That's with an OEM wheel, so it's harder for the seed to come up. Yeah, you can really see it, can't you? Yep, there's a big difference. Farmer was really nice letting us come out here and do this so we could actually film it. We have farmers that want to know about it, so we're going to bring it to you from Reddy. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your business. Get a hold of Reddy if you have any questions.